Do not allow tribalism, religion, or politics to destroy who you are. Don't allow yourself to be so brainwashed with religion that you can no longer think like a normal human being. Don't let yourself to be a religious fanatic, a tribal fanatic, a political fanatic. As a matter of fact, these three things are the problem we have in this part of the world. Religion may unite friends and destroy brothers faster. Politics, in other hand, can unite anybody with selfish interests. Are you following me?
Yes, sir.
Politics. It can unite enemies. It can unite people from all tribes. They know they are not in good terms, but because they have selfish interests, they can be united. Are you following?
Yes, sir.
Even as they are united, in order to achieve one particular thing that favors their desire, they, from different tribes, may not be in good terms. Once they achieve what they want collectively, they may just begin to pick out those who should not be amongst them. Are you following me?
Yes, sir.
These three things, religion, tribalism, politics, have destroyed a lot of things amongst us. This is why I'm telling you, do not allow these things to destroy you. Do not allow them to destroy your future. Stick to your belief. Stick to your faith. Do not antagonize others. Stick to your faith and still love your brother. This is one thing I want us to understand today. So many people want to let others know that they are more superior to them because of the religion they belong in or they belong to. Religion has destroyed a lot of families, so many families. It has destroyed brothers in their families. It shouldn't be a problem to us. Stick to whatever you want to believe in. Stick to your faith. Live and let others live. Worship that thing you want to worship. But remember that there is Chukwu Okike that is bigger than every other thing. If you are a Christian, remember, be a Christian and remember that there is a supernatural being that everyone will give account of whatever he has done to him. Are you following me?
Yes.
If you are a Christian, remember Chukwu Okike. If you are a Judaist, remember Chukwu Okike. If you are a Muslim, remember Chukwu Okike. If you are a traditionalist, onye omenala, remember Chukwu Okike. Whoever you are and whatever you want to believe in, remember that there is Chukwu Okike. Every tribe has their own name for this Chukwu Okike, that supernatural being. So, do not want to tell others that your own is better than theirs. Otu ọbụla isi wee chọọ ikpe okpukpe nke gị na nkwenye nke gị. Cheta na Chukwu okike mee gịnị? Don't let religion destroy who you are. Don't let religion destroy your nuclear family. Don't let religion destroy even your tribe. Why am I saying this now? That is what is happening at the moment. You can lecture people about what you believe in or about your own religion peacefully, in love. Yes, without destroying others' beliefs. Okay? You can let people know the good things about your own religion without destroying their own belief. It applies to heads of different beliefs and the believers of different religions. Are you following me?
Yes, sir.
So it applies to you. You that are here, don't go there telling people you are doing this, you are that. Okay? Tell them the truth you know about what you are doing. Gradually, even from your character, they will come to terms with what you are trying to teach them. Shout hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
There may be sense and truth in what you are trying to teach others about your belief. But the way you have presented it can just mess up everything. So, let us know that if we are from the same tribe, we have a root. And we should not let religion or our different beliefs destroy who we are. Shout hallelujah.
Hallelujah.